upon a time that a crow lived in a dry forest. The crow was very thirsty. He looked everywhere for water but could not find it. He became very sad indeed. He started searching for water, and after some time, he saw a small pot. He was happy. He rushed to the pot, but there was very little water in the pot. Lua was disappointed. Then the crow saw some small stones on the ground. He got an idea. He dropped stones in the pot, and the water came up. The crow happily drank the water and quenched his thirst. He was a wise crow.
Subscribe to my channel.